An 8K drone with 30 minutes flight time and obstacle avoidance? Sounds like a dream, right? Let's see if the V198 MAX Drone actually lives up to the hype. Hey guys, welcome back to Caring Guy. Today, we're reviewing the V198 MAX 5G drone, also known as the V918, a feature-packed drone that promises pro-level performance at a budget price. Right away, this drone feels solid and well-built. It comes with a modular 7.4-volt battery, making it easy to swap and recharge. The design is sleek, modern, and definitely looks more premium than typical entry-level drones. Under the hood, you get brushless motors, which means stronger power, quieter flights, better durability. It supports up to 3 kilometers control distance with a stable 5G image transmission system, giving you a smooth live feed while flying far flying. Now let's talk about the highlight, the camera. The V198 MAX features an 8K front camera with a 90-degree remote adjustable angle. Plus, there's a bottom Optical Flow HD camera for better stability and positioning. You also get gesture photography, beauty shooting mode, MV video production features. But remember, like most drones in this range, the 8K claim may not match high-end cinematic quality. This drone is packed with smart features that make flying easy and fun. GPS follow mode tracks your movement automatically. 360-degree obstacle avoidance helps prevent crashes. Waypoint flight, plan your route in advance. Surround shooting, cinematic circle shots. Gesture control, take photos without touching the controller. And of course, one key return with GPS, so you never lose your drone. Thanks to GPS plus optical flow positioning, hovering is stable and beginner-friendly. Even in light wind, the drone holds its position well, making it great for smooth aerial shots. Battery performance is actually impressive here. You get around 30 minutes of flight time, with a charging time of about 90 minutes, which is solid for this category. So, should you buy the V198 MAX Drone? Great for beginners and casual users. Long flight time and strong range, packed with smart features. But don't expect true professional 8K quality, not a replacement for high-end drones. Still, for the price, it offers excellent value. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This is Caring Guy, bringing you smart tech made simple. See you in the next one.